Good afternoon, everybody. Steve Georgie here, live from Allendale's trading floor. It is August 31st, 2010. Final day of the month, final day to trade, and certainly didn't disappoint. We did have corn, though, finished down 2 1/4 cents. Still pretty decent, but for the month, we were up 32.5 cents in corn. Big day. A lot of stuff surrounding this corn market today. A lot of just emotion off the bat this morning. We had off the open reports had come out saying funds had bought about 8,000 corn right off the bat. After they had done that, the market sat there for most of the day till we got to the close. They ended up actually buying another 7,000 as far as some reports are suggesting right on the close. And funds were actually selling everything else. Beans were down 12.5. Still up 5 cents for the month, but they sold 4,000 contracts right there on the close. As far as wheat down 18.75 cents. That was down 8 cents for the month. So yes, corn was up 32.5. Beans were up 5, and the wheat market actually lower, down 8 for the month. So once again, the funds were sellers of wheat on the close, down 50. Or they sold 5,500 contracts in December wheat. So you have this this bullish consensus, this bullish undertone as far as the corn market, but you can start to see it's starting to shift here as far as the beans and as far as wheat. We'll see if we're going to get new money coming in to buy here after the first of the month. New month buying, whatever you want to throw at it here. But the way it looks right now, as far as how did this month end up finishing, still pretty strong on corn. Beans and wheat, not so impressive. Crude oil, down $2.78 today. So you did find some profit taking once again in crude, pushing things lower, pushed the October contract to 71.70. So we saw a nice couple days of just strong trade, and then today they decided to take everything back and push it lower. This comes even with, you've got a couple potential hurricane threats out there that are headed this way. The market doesn't seem to mind that right now, but certainly is going to be watching that as we approach the $70 a barrel area. We were down $7.66 for the month. So once again, that's a pretty negative close for crude. It is showing that money is still coming out of that market here and looking to go into something else, much like the grains. As far as the dollar was only down, or it's only down right now, a penny. So it's had one heck of a ride today. It was quite a bit lower when I sat down in my seat this morning. Now it's only down a penny. It is up $1.56 for the month. Finishing out the month pretty strong, but still below that 50-day moving average. We do need to penetrate through that 50-day moving average and see a solid close above that to keep this market really going toward that 84 to 86 area. But as of right now, it is a little lower on the session. As far as some of these soft markets, it was quite amazing. One time you look at the screen and we're up significantly. At one point you had sugar up 50 cents. You had crude oil up $1.50 or 150 points. By the close, sugar ended up 6 points lower on the session. You saw cotton down 23. So a big swing. Huge swing in these markets. Weak close here to end the month. So we'll see how this is going to transpire coming into a new month. Are we going to find the funds just kind of continue to dump some of their positions? Who knows? Tomorrow's going to be a very interesting day as well. As far as the metals, with everything going on, the dollar being a little bit weaker, the talk of the economy, the concerns there. You've got gold up $10 today, silver up 28. You still have money coming into these markets as far as more of a safe haven. Livestock today, you had fat cattle down 60 cents. Feeders down 75. Most of that is just expectations here of finding lower cash trade this week. So we are finding a little bit of pressure here as far as the cattle markets. Hogs were up 30 to 50 cents today. Most of that rally is due to the midday cash prices being stronger in anticipation to see higher trade here tonight. So, but it was up about 30 to 50 cents here today. So give us a call over here. What kind of questions? Any questions you guys may have. A number to reach us is 800-262-7538. Hopefully you guys had a great day and a great month, and we'll talk to you guys here a little bit later. Have a great one. We'll see you.